Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, puts out fires because when heated, it releases carbon dioxide gas. This gas helps smother the fire by pushing away oxygen, and without oxygen, the fire can't keep burning. Fire needs heat, fuel, and oxygen to keep burning. When baking soda is sprinkled on a fire, the heat causes it to break down and release carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide pushes away oxygen around the fire. Without enough oxygen, the flame goes out. It works best on small grease or electrical fires, but not on large ones. Why? Baking soda produces only a small amount of carbon dioxide, which is enough for a tiny flame, but not nearly enough to fight bigger fires. Large fires spread rapidly and generate extreme heat, making it hard to apply enough baking soda in time before the fire grows. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick science facts.